Hi guys, this is Dr. Vinay Baukar. The topic of today's video is pimples, that is acne vulgaris, a very common problem affecting young people. Come on guys, let's start. Friends, please notice, this video is for informational purpose only and should not be used as a replacement for expert medical advice. Friends, if you are almost a teen, chances are pretty good that you have some acne. About 8 in 10 preteens and teens have acne, along with many adults. But knowing that doesn't make it easier when you look in the mirror and see a big pimple on your chin. The good news is that learning about acne and taking some simple steps can help you feel better about your face. Acne starts when oil and dead skin cells clog the skin's pores. If germs get into the pores, the result can be swelling, redness, and pus. Now let's see the types of acne. Whiteheads, blackheads, papules and pustules, acne nodules, and acne cyst. These are the common type of acne you see in people. The fundamentals of treatment of acne: reducing oil production, speeding up skin cell turnover, fighting bacterial infection, and reducing the inflammation are the fundamentals of treatment of acne. Over-the-counter topical treatments (OTC). These lotions are generally mild and contain benzoyl peroxide, sulfur, resorcinol, salicylic acid as their active ingredient. Topical treatments available by prescription: tretinoin, adapalene, and tazarotene are examples of topical prescription products derived from vitamin A. Antibiotics and oral vitamin A. For moderate to severe acne, you may need a short course of oral antibiotics and vitamin A to reduce bacteria and fight inflammation. Isotretinoin. For deep cyst, antibiotics may not be enough. Isotretinoin is a powerful medication available for scarring cystic acne or acne that doesn't respond to other treatments. Please note, the patient taking this medicine needs to be monitored closely. Now let's see some acne scar treatments. Soft tissue fillers. Collagen or fat can be injected under the skin and into scars to fill out or stretch the skin, making the scars less noticeable. Chemical peels. High potency acid is applied to your skin to remove the top layer and minimize deeper scars. Dermabrasion. Dermabrasion involves removing the top layer of skin with a rapidly rotating wire brush. microdermabrasion. This newer acne scar treatment involves a handheld device that blows crystals onto skin. These crystals gently abrade or polish the skin's surface. Then a vacuum tube removes the crystals and skin cells. Laser, light source and radio frequency treatments. In laser resurfacing, a laser beam destroys the outer layer of skin, that is epidermis, and heats the underlying skin, that is dermis. As the wound heals, new skin forms. Friends, now let's see some home remedies to treat acne. Take a few pieces of nutmeg, mix it with some unboiled milk and apply the paste on acne. Wash it off after about 2 hours. Mix a tablespoon each of fresh lime juice and groundnut oil and apply it on your face to avoid blackheads. Leave fresh mint juice on your face overnight to tame pimples. Take fenugreek leaves and make a paste. Apply it every night for 15 minutes and wash it off. Take a few drops of rose water and mix it with sandalwood. Apply the paste on your face and wash it off after 20 minutes. Preventing acne with diet. IGF-1, an important hormone that influences acne. Hormonal influences that affect insulin-like growth factor 1, that is IGF-1 levels are key. Elevated IGF-1 levels lead to changes in gene expression that cause inflammation, hormonal changes, increased oil production, and development of acne lesions. Protein intake is the major factor that determines circulating IGF levels, especially protein from dairy products. High glycemic load foods. High glycemic foods like refined carbohydrates produce dangerous spikes in blood glucose. A low glycemic load diet has been shown to improve acne symptoms and decrease IGF-1 and skin oil production in several studies. So guys, I hope you liked my video on acne vulgaris. Please don't forget to comment or contact me at my email. Take care guys. Goodbye.